How are you all today? And how is your Christmas celebration? May the spirit of Christmas is always be in our heart. And now that the Christmas is done, what we're gonna prepare is for the New Year. We need to write our pit goals for the year 2026. What we want to happen in our life that year, we need to write it. The pit goals is the things that it seem impossible for us, but in God nothing is impossible. Like the things that we cannot do, but only God can do. Wish and prayer, that's part of wish and prayer. What you want to happen in your life that it seems impossible for us to do, but when God is open the doors in it's part of God's plan into your life and align with your purpose, it will gonna happen. And anyway, before end of the year, every year we need to write the pit goals. This is bathroom because the aircon is cold. Before end of the year, we need to check the pit goals that year, and we check if there is answered prayer. We need to check this is God answered prayer, and the other pit goals that we written that not yet answered, maybe by next year will answered, right? That like that. Me this year my pit goals is about my OJT. Although by financially I'm struggling this year because by January this year my nephew had accident, and the bills of the hospital, medical expenses, hospitalization, like that. And last year when I'm studying, all my savings will goes to the school, paying my tuition pay, all the things that we need, all the things that I need in school, like that, because I'm working student and I'm studying while working because I love to learn new things, additional knowledge, additional skills, so that I have additional opportunity. And I want my brain to always working, because if I'm not study, I feel like my brain is became dull, and I became forgetful, and if my brain stop learning or stop studying, it will I feel something is not useful, like that. That's why I love to study new things. And this I did not review my pit goals this year. I need to check it. It's I save it in my laptop. I did not read it pa, but what I remember is part of my pit goals this year is the OJT, in the church, about the church, to be very active in church, and to draw other people to God through the church. And I pray to God that I hope God will bless me abundantly, so that I can continue supporting my campus ministry Philippines, especially to those students that they cannot afford to pay tuition pay. The kids want to be a preacher or a pastor someday, like that. I'm supporting them how many years already, but not every month. Every 4 months I give them a small amount, but big help for the kids that is in need for help. And about my pit goals in church, the prayer that I written there, or the pit goals that I want to happen, although it's not exactly what I write there, but the answer of God is I've been recognized to be a Best Volunteer of the Year. I received an award being the Best Volunteer of the Year, a trophy. They recognize my effort to serve in the church. And although I'm struggling financially, because my salary this time also is lower than my salary before in my last work. I'm struggling budgeting my salary. And this coming year 2026, part of my pit goals is I pray that God will open the doors for me in the other country, like Europe. I want to learn a new culture. I want to see another places, and I want to explore, not only because this I feel also before I studying nursing assistant in caregiving, something was like I feel there is something whispering me I need to study so that I can prepare myself, that God will bring me to the other place. God has purpose and I have calling. I feel I have calling. God has a plan for me in the other place, and I have a purpose aligned for the plan of God into my life. And I hope and pray that God will use other people to help me to fulfill that plan and to align in my purpose in life. And I pray to God also that God will give me an additional source of income so that I can have something to give to the church to continue support campus ministry. Philippines in also tight offering in mission trip here in the church here in UAE. Before I usually, if there is mission trip for the mission going to the field, before I was able to give some financial help, but this time I'm struggling financially. I won't be able to give any amount. I hope God will give me additional source of income so that I can share that blessing to the needy and to the deserving, especially to those kids cannot afford to pay tuition fee, especially the scholar student in campus ministry, the kids they want to be a pastor, a preacher in church someday. They want to serve in church like that, because I'm supporting them for how many years already. That's the legacy I want to leave behind if ever God will call me to go home. Anyway guys, that's all, and have a good night's sleep everyone. See you tomorrow. Advance Happy New Year. Bye.